In this video, we will discuss the word imperialism. We will talk about what it means, how to use imperialism in a sentence, and we will also practice pronouncing the word imperialism. The word imperialism is a noun, a person, place, thing, or idea. Imperialism means the process of increasing a country's power through international relationships or military force. That was long. Let me say that one more time. Imperialism is the process of increasing a country's power through international relationships or military force. Let's check out some example sentences so we can better understand the meaning of the word imperialism. Many African and Asian countries have been impacted by imperialism. Example number one, many African and Asian countries have been impacted by imperialism. So there are countries that have been impacted by other countries that are trying to increase their power and influence. Example number two, local tribes fought against invasion and imperialism. Local tribes fought against invasion and imperialism. Let's practice pronouncing the word imperialism together. I will repeat the word 3 times. I want you to repeat after me. Imperialism. 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 Hey friends, if you like learning new words with me, click that like button and share my videos with your friends. I want us to keep learning English together, and thank you for letting me be a part of your learning adventure. Have a great day.